In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create checklists on Trello cards so you can organize tasks, track progress, and manage projects more efficiently. Whether you're using Trello for personal productivity, team collaboration, or client work, checklists are one of the most powerful features you can use inside a card. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add a checklist, customize it, add items, and track progress step by step. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to your Trello board. Open your browser and log into your Trello account, then navigate to the board where you want to add a checklist. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a task tracker, or any workflow you're currently using. Once you're inside the correct board, you'll see your lists and cards laid out across the screen. Next, click on the card where you want to create the checklist. This will open the card details view. Inside the card, you'll see options like members, labels, dates, attachments, and more. On the right-hand side panel, look for the option labeled Checklist. This is the feature we'll be using. Click on Checklist. A small window will pop up asking you to add a title for your checklist. This is where you can name it something specific, like to-do list, project steps, content tasks, or anything that matches your workflow. You'll also notice there may be an option to copy items from an existing checklist if you've already created one before. This is useful if you regularly repeat the same process and want to save time. After naming your checklist, click Add. Your checklist will now appear inside the card. You'll see an empty checklist with a progress bar at the top. At this point, it's time to start adding items. Click on Add an item. Type your first task into the field and press Enter or click Add. You can continue adding as many checklist items as you need. For example, if this is a blog post workflow, you might add items like Research Topic, Write Draft, Edit Content, Design Graphics, and Publish Post. Each item becomes an actionable task that can be checked off individually. As you continue adding items, you'll notice the checklist grows within the card. You can also reorder items by dragging and dropping them into a different position. This is especially helpful if priorities change or if tasks need to be completed in a specific order. Now here's where the magic happens. As you complete tasks, simply click the checkbox next to each item. When you click the checkbox, Trello will mark the item as complete, and you'll see the progress bar at the top of the checklist update automatically. The bar visually shows how much of the checklist has been completed, which makes it incredibly easy to track progress at a glance. Once all items are checked off, the progress bar will reach 100%, giving you a clear visual confirmation that the work inside that card is done. This is extremely useful for teams because anyone viewing the board can instantly see how far along a task is without opening multiple tools or asking for updates. You can also add multiple checklists inside a single Trello card if your task has different phases. For example, you could have one checklist for planning, another for execution, and another for review. This keeps everything organized within one card while still breaking work into manageable sections. And that's it. That's how you create checklists on Trello cards, add items, and track progress step by step. It's a simple feature, but it can dramatically improve how you manage tasks and collaborate with others. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.